Hey, good morning y'all, what's up? So it's me, Joey. I am back with an unboxing video. I got this mad box right here, care of, what's his name again? Sorry, Kuya Mark.
Mark Dominguez.
Kuya Mark Dominguez, shout out to you, Kuya Mark. Edwards right over here. As you can see, let's check out the boxing. It's a very beautiful packaging right over here. A yellow box with the word mad on it, mad merchandise. Angas ba, Edward? Angas ba? Sobrang angas, right? So what are we waiting for? Let's open this box right here, right now. Right here, right now. Alright. So, wow, let's check it out, shall we? Whoa, we got this white shirt right here. And then, let's see the design. As you can see, the MAD logo is right here. Make a difference, you are making a difference. And this shirt was custom made for my boy Edward right here. See? Eds, right? Eds, promote your YouTube channel while we're here. He has a YouTube channel, that's why he has this.
Follow nyo na lang.
Follow nyo na lang. As you can see, ang sobrang astig ng design. Unang-una, syempre, kay Kuya Mark, nakalagay, make a difference. Dito yung design. Very nice, ano tawag dito, Edward? Vinyl sticker ba ito?
Vinyl sticker.
Very nice vinyl sticker. Very nice quality. Pero ang angas talaga ng sa likod, nakalagay EDS.
Kasi pwede kayo magpa-customize ng tatak
You can
sa likod.
customize talaga. So, what are you waiting for? Get yours today. Honestly lang, kung may budget lang ako, magpapagawa din ako ng custom nito. Kaso, sobrang high-end demand talaga. Diba, Ed? Sobrang high-end demand.
Kasi ano siya, t-shirt pro ako siya. So, bali,
T-shirt
pag bumili
pro
kayo,
cost.
makakatulong kayo sa...
Nagdo-donate
sa project.
kayo. Kaya, okay no, pag bumili kayo, maangas na kayo tingnan, tapos nagdo-donate pa kayo. So, maangas at saka pogi, at saka mabait pa kayo. So, package deal talaga. Package deal talaga. So, go for it. Yeah. Once again, shout out kay Kuya Mark. You're the man. I like the design. Ako din, parang gusto ko nga din mag-order. Pero,
Umorder ka na.
mag-iisip pa ako ng design. Wala pa akong maisip. You're the best, Kuya Mark. God bless and Merry Christmas.
Thank you.